Hi everyone, Chef Stuart here. All right, we're getting into something keto today. Oh my God, I feel thinner already. I don't particularly eat keto, but I've read a lot of recipes and people are loving stir fries with the keto thing. So we're gonna make one today and it's super tasty. Okay, first things first, let's get with the marinade for our chicken. I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of sesame oil in here, a quarter cup of tamari. If you're not on a keto diet, you can use soy sauce, all good. I'm gonna do a splash of apple cider vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna mince right into the bowl. Teaspoon of grated ginger, stir it around. And I have like 4 chicken thighs here. I just slice them up. I like to use chicken thighs because they don't dry out and you can't really overcook them. Quick little marinade. We're gonna let that sit there for about 5 minutes while we cook our vegetables. Okay, we got a half an onion. I'm just gonna dice that up. So I've already cut up my peppers. Just gonna do nice thin strips. Little matchsticks, all right, almost. Okay, so I'm just gonna add about 2 teaspoons to the pan. We're gonna get this nice and hot because remember, we're stir frying, so it's like quick, fast. We want nice hot heat for this. Bo wants some food. I can hear her barking in the background. Okay, first goes first. We get the onion in for about 1 to 2 minutes to cook. Now we're gonna add the peppers and I'm gonna add the broccoli. To cook the broccoli a bit faster, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water to the pan and it'll steam the broccoli and just cook the insides of it a bit faster as well. So I'm just gonna add that right in. That's it. See, the water is gone already, but that just helps the broccoli. Okay, while the stir fry is going and that broccoli is cooking, I'm just gonna drain my chicken here. Okay, so I'm pretty happy there with the broccoli, so I'm just gonna put it in a bowl here. Back on the heat, a splash of sesame oil again, and let's get that chicken in. The trick here is to just leave the chicken cook for a minute or 2. We wanna get it nice and brown, because if you keep stirring it around, what'll happen is you'll overcrowd the pan in somewhat and it'll start to steam the chicken. And we want it kind of crisp and we want a kind of nice brownness on it from our dressing. And we'll get that. It's beautiful. So I'm just gonna add in my veg. And I have some chopped up cremini mushrooms we're gonna add in too. We're gonna let that cook for another 2 or 3 minutes just to soften up everything. Now I have some marinade left in this. I'm just gonna add that in too. Why not? It's all good stuff. All right, so I just cooked up some cauliflower rice before we got started. This takes about 2 or 3 minutes to cook. Some olive oil in the pan, saute it up, hit it with a bit of salt if you want, and that's gonna be the base for our stir fry. You could just eat that with a salad as well. It would be absolutely delicious, but you know, if we're doing like the whole low carb thing, cauliflower rice is great. You can buy bags at the store. If you want to make your own, you can do it in a food processor. Just chop up a head of cauliflower, pop it in the food processor and just pulse it a couple of times and you'll get that result as well. But you know what? It's $1.99 at the store for a bag of it and it's already done if you don't have to take out your equipment. So it's great convenience. Okay, I have some cilantro here. I'm just gonna roll that. About a tablespoon when we have it chopped up. And I'm just gonna stir this in to the pan for a nice bit of freshness. All right, that took about 10-12 minutes to make. Super easy. This is such a great like midnight, like family meal. You're not getting takeout. You can make it at home. It's super easy. We have the stir fry done. We got our cauliflower rice. We got our bowl. Let's throw it all together. And there it is. We knocked that out in like 10 minutes. A beautiful keto stir fry with chicken, broccoli, bell peppers, and cauliflower rice. Let's go in for the taste. Oh my God. I feel thinner already. If you like this recipe, favorite it, like it, share it, do whatever. Follow me on YouTube. And I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.